Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this PVC, or of course because it's possible to get this in different stuff. That means you have different materials behind these bands, these tapes. You can have it in polyethylene, polyvinyl chloride, polyethylene and TPU. PVC TPU are possible to use. And this adhesive and tape is a really good thing to fix stuff. It's a repair tape for fabric, tarpaulins, tarpaulin patches in the dimensions of 5 meter to 8 centimeter. For truck tarpaulin, Awning, stands. It's on the market in different colors and in different materials. You can get this in blue, transparent or green. And you can have different materials like, for example, polyvinyl. This is the world's third most widely produced synthetic polymer of plastic. About 40 million tons of PVC are produced each year on the market. Or you can use it, buy it with polyethylene. This is the most commonly produced plastic itself. It is polymer primarily used for packaging, plastic bags, plastic films, geomembranes, and containers, including bottles, for example. Over 100 million tons of polyethylene resins are being produced annually, according for 34% of the total plastic market itself. And this fixing tape here, you can choose from these different materials because we have all of them comes with a strong adhesive. The special tarpaulin repair tape has a good adhesive and the attached areas is difficult to tear down. The longer the time, the stronger the liability. Long-lasting adhesive and a tear resistance application. The Awning repair tape can be used in a variety of ways where it is possible. Suited for a stripped cloth, tarpaulin, PVC tarpaulin, canvas tarpaulin, and so on. Thickened width of 8 centimeter. That means the length of the waterproof package and leaking tape is 5 meter. The width is 8 centimeter. The rubber surface is widened. The bonding is film, and the uses is more convenient about this. And it's really easy to use that. So you have a broken area on your tarpaulin, for example, and there is a scratch or something else. It's really easy. We clean the area which have to be repaired, and of course we keep it dry. Really important. Take a cloth, make it dry. That's important. That's really important. Then we cut a suitable piece of the tarp repair tape, and then we peel off the additional foil from it. And after this step, we apply it on the top of it. We press firmly for 2 up to 3 minutes onto it. After this, job's done. Of course, the best thing is you wait 24 hours until the all adhesive is done with the transformation, and then you can use the tarpaulin again as you like, but it's repaired. You does not have to throw it away. You do not. It's not for the bin. It's not for the litter. You can use it, and this is better for nature, isn't it? Highly adhesive fabric tape here. It's waterproof and it comes with a sun protection, dirt repellent, and really easy to clean. Steel ball friction. This leaves no marks on it, and it's so easy to use, as you can see. It's really easy to apply. It's really easy and good to use because it comes in a good shape and in an easy application ability. This is possible to make this in different materials: polyethylene, polyvinyl chloride, polyurethane, and TPU. Every material has good things and maybe bad things. For example, here PE is thin. That's good. That means it's flexible, but it can be burned. PVC is thicker. That means it's not so easy to bend, not so easy to use, but it is burn proof. It cannot be burned. It's really cool. And TPU, for example, is a little bit thinner than PVC, but a little bit bigger than PE. So it is okay to foldable, and it's not burnable. Really cool. So you can choose what you need. Of course, it's on the market in green and transparent and blue. It comes from the brand Hong Tai Chang, and it gives us a good repair tool to repair anything which will need tape for repair. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.